Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and we are exiting 2018 with a video for you. These are our top 5 Kitchen Crate projects from 2018. So we're going to jump right in and show you just a wide range of projects we were able to do this year. Before I do that though, we were able to accomplish right about 60 to 70 Kitchen Crate projects this year, and about that many Bath Crate projects, maybe actually a few more. But these are our top 5 from 2018 that show the power behind Kitchen Crate and what we can do to a home. So, coming in at number 5, Kitchen Crate Destiny Drive in Turlock. Now, this is a fairly classic Kitchen Crate project, other than you'll notice the peninsula is gone and those cabinets were reused and repurposed to create more of a traditional L-shaped design. This really opened up the flow of this particular kitchen, and when we put the new quartz countertops, the new subway tile backsplash, we put all that together with a beautiful wood look tile floor. I just love the way this project came together. So they got the benefit of a better layout that worked better for their family, combined with a great price point of a Kitchen Crate project. Coming in at number 4, Kitchen Crate Midvale Road in Lodi. I filmed a few videos out on this project and I was really interested in watching how the job came along. This is another classic Kitchen Crate project, meaning that we utilized the existing cabinet footprint, the existing cabinets, did a complete refinish, and the thing that caught my eye about this project, why it's listed as our number 4 project of 2018, we literally transported the finishes of this project from the 1990s to 2018 in just a few days. It was really a great way that it came together. I love the beveled tile backsplash on this project, and the way that little bar pop-up went from kind of being this thing that didn't make a lot of sense, and the way it flowed from the sight line, I didn't really like the way it came together. Now there's a distinct difference between the splash and the countertops and the nice white cabinetry. I love the way that this job came together in a true classic Kitchen Crate form. Coming at number 3, yet another Lodi project. This is Kitchen Crate Custom Willow Glen Drive, once again in Lodi. And you're not going to recognize the before and after of this project. The reason why? This is a complete custom renovation. You're going to see that the ceiling line actually came up, or more accurately, the drop-down ceiling was eliminated. Kind of this obtrusive sight line of the wall oven and this kind of structural piece was removed to create a beautiful flow of sight line from the kitchen to the living area. All new custom cabinets with all the bells and whistles, so pull-outs and all those types of things that really make storage more accessible. And once again, this is a Kitchen Crate Custom that really highlighted the power behind Kitchen Crate Custom to completely renovate the project. Now, I don't have the exact days of this project, but if I recall, it was just about a 4-week job to get this thing done, and I just love the way it all came together. Coming at number 2, Kitchen Crate Cornerstone Drive in Ripon. Now, this is a combination between a Kitchen Crate Classic and a Kitchen Crate Custom, because there were some custom elements, specifically some upper cabinets, that you'll see were added to the buffet area of this project. The reason this caught my eye is because of the finishes. A couple things to point out here. The beautiful new quartz countertops that actually simulate more of a natural stone, almost more of a granite look, with the durability and the easy to clean aspect of quartz. And we take that and we don't use them very often, but this is actually a stainless steel 2-bowl super deep sink. So I really like the way that that sink came together with the countertops. And another huge difference is going from the all black cabinets that really kind of design-wise hit you in the face when you walked into this project. Now it's more of a clean, simple white cabinet. And once again, for me, I loved the way these finishes came together on this project. So here we are, the number 1 Kitchen Crate project of 2018, Kitchen Crate Abbey Place in Manteca. A lot going on here. This was once again a combination of some custom elements and some classic elements. One of the first things you'll notice is the removal of the peninsula and turning of a kind of a dead area into more lower cabinets and some glass front upper cabinets. I love the way this came together because we were able to reuse probably 80–90% of the existing cabinets, simply add some new cabinets and create a completely different look, feel, and functionality to this space. Now, another thing I want to point out is the way that we made some modifications to the cooktop area. You'll see the upper cabinets over the cooktop were removed. In its place, we did more of a wall-mounted hood element, and then a mosaic tile piece that really draws the eye, draws the attention to the cooktop area. A beautiful new gas cooktop was installed, and then all new door and drawer faces throughout, and that's so the new cabinets with their new door and drawer faces match the new door and drawer faces on the existing cabinet boxes. So once again, Kitchen Crate for 2018, the theme was really this combination of repurposing with some custom elements, bringing that all together to create a look, feel, and use that is perfect for 2018. So thank you so much for watching this video. So proud to share some of these 5 of the 60 to 70 Kitchen Crate projects that we completed in 2018. I can't wait to see what our team does in 2019. And if you'd like to be one of those customers, give us a call, 888-995-7996, or go to kbCrate.com, where you can right then and there schedule your phone consultation with myself or Jeffrey. We'd love to talk with you about your project and see what we can do together in 2019. Thanks for watching, and Happy New Year.